I have been using Gaggia coffee machines for a while now, and they've become part of my daily coffee routine. I really enjoy how consistent and smooth every cup feels, making each morning a little more special. Finding the best Gaggia espresso machine can feel a bit tricky when every model promises cafe-style coffee at home. The best Gaggia espresso machine, in my experience, is the one that balances steady pressure, simple controls, and that classic rich espresso shot Gaggia is known for. I've spent time testing different setups, and what stands out is how these machines fit both beginners and home baristas without overcomplicating things. For US coffee lovers who want that daily espresso without relying on coffee shops, Gaggia really holds its ground with consistent performance and solid build quality. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Gaggia Cadorna RI9604/47 Prestige Espresso Machine. This Gaggia Cadorna RI9604/47 Prestige Espresso Machine feels like a full home coffee menu in one compact setup. The TFT color display makes scrolling through drinks very easy, even when I just want a quick morning espresso. The milk carafe system stands out because it creates smooth, consistent foam and handles cleaning automatically, which saves a lot of time after use. I also like the 14 pre-programmed drinks since it covers everything from cappuccino to Americano without extra effort. With its 5.2-ounce water tank, it fits well in most US kitchens and even smaller counter spaces thanks to the front-loading design. The machine is not fully silent, and the learning curve is there for perfect tuning, but it becomes easy after a few uses. Overall, it's a strong pick for users who want variety, automation, and cafe-style drinks at home without manual steps. Number 4. Gaggia Velasca RI8263/47 Prestige Espresso Machine. This Gaggia Velasca RI8263/47 Prestige Espresso Machine feels like a smooth step into true bean-to-cup brewing at home. The ceramic burr grinder helps keep the grind consistent, which really improves daily espresso taste without much effort. The one-touch brewing feature is what I enjoy most, since it makes espresso and milk drinks with just a simple press, perfect for busy mornings. It also offers programmable settings, so I can adjust strength and temperature depending on my mood. With its 54-ounce water tank, it fits well in most US kitchens and even smaller counter spaces thanks to the front-loading design. The machine is not fully silent, and the learning curve is there for perfect tuning, but it becomes easy after a few uses. Overall, it delivers a balanced mix of automation and control, making it a solid choice for everyday home espresso lovers. Number 3. Gaggia Brera 10003358 Automatic Espresso Machine. This Gaggia Brera 10003358 Automatic Espresso Machine feels like a compact daily coffee helper that keeps things very simple. The integrated grinder lets me go from beans to espresso without any extra tools, which saves time in busy mornings. The milk frother system works well for lattes and cappuccinos, giving a creamy texture without much effort. I also like the programmable settings because it remembers my routine and makes repeat drinks easier. With its 40-ounce tank and small footprint, it fits nicely in tighter US kitchen spaces or office counters. The taste is consistent, but it may feel a bit limited compared to higher-end machines if you want deep customization. Still, for everyday use, it performs reliably and cleanly. Many users looking for automatic espresso machine will find this one a practical entry into super automatic brewing at home. Number 2. Gaggia RI9380/46 E24 Espresso Machine. This Gaggia RI9380/46 E24 Espresso Machine feels like a true classic bar setup at home. It is simple, strong, and focused on real espresso quality rather than automation. The steel housing build gives it a solid premium feel on the counter and holds up well for daily use. The 9-bar extraction brings rich, balanced shots that taste close to cafe-style coffee. I like how the 58mm portafilter and commercial steam wand give more control, which home baristas often look for when upgrading from basic machines. It does take a bit of practice and time compared to automatic machines, but the results are worth it. Overall, it is a reliable pick for strong espresso lovers who want consistency and durability at home. Especially in US kitchens, it fits well for users who want durable Italian build quality without extra complexity. Number 1. Gaggia Accademia RI9781/46 Automatic Espresso Machine. This Gaggia Accademia RI9781/46 Automatic Espresso Machine feels like having a small cafe right on my kitchen counter. The glass touchscreen makes it very easy to pick drinks, even when I'm still waking up in the morning. With 19 drink options, it gives a lot of variety from strong espresso to creamy milk drinks, so I don't get bored. The 1.6-liter capacity works well for daily use, especially in small US households where quick, consistent coffee matters. I like how it keeps the taste steady without needing much manual effort. At the same time, it can feel a bit pricey and slightly complex for beginners at first, but once you get used to it, the workflow becomes easy and reliable. I still think it stands out as the best Gaggia automatic espresso machine for easy daily brewing and consistent cafe-style results at home experience today. Final verdict. I personally recommend the Gaggia Accademia RI9781 automatic espresso machine as the best overall pick. It stands out for its full automation, rich drink variety, and smooth daily use, making it perfect for anyone who wants cafe-style coffee at home with almost no effort. The glass touchscreen display and auto clean function make the experience feel simple, fast, and reliable, even on busy mornings. For a more budget-friendly and hands-on option, I recommend the Gaggia RI9380/46 E24 espresso machine. It delivers strong 9-bar espresso, solid steel build quality, and real barista-style control for users who enjoy learning the craft. It's ideal for those who prefer manual brewing and want long-term durability without spending on automation. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and daily coffee routine best.